And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, looking at the radar, we still have those showers and storms moving through portions of Lafayette at this point, but looking off to our east, still some heavy downpours falling for much of the area. A lot of this is moving down to the south from the northerly direction, as thanks to this low pressure system, it is bringing down these rain and storms to our area at this point. But as we head throughout the evening, as the system pulls away from us, we do expect some clearing to take place and eventually some sunshine back in the forecast for your weekend. But for tonight, luckily, the National Weather Service has pulled away the severe threat from the majority of our area, just that slim area around Tipton County that could see potential for maybe some damaging winds. But other than that, looking at heavy rain and lightning for any storms that do pose that threat for any of those threats as we head into this evening. But by late this evening, expecting those rain chances to end and those skies to clear as we head towards tomorrow morning. Temperatures dropping down into the mid 60s as we head towards your Saturday morning, with those winds also turning to the northwest as well. So not too bad overnight, with those temperatures ranging from 64 to 67 by tomorrow morning. So quite a mild start to your Saturday. And for Saturday itself, looking at a hot day, looking at those heat index values up into the mid 90s, with those temperatures also near 90. So looking at a hot day, despite the fact we had that cold front moving in earlier in the day today. Unfortunately, that will not slash that humidity, as we're fortunately expecting those hot and humid conditions in place, even with that north wind, which will help to usher in, unfortunately, those hazy, smoky conditions for Saturday as well. So looking at those smoky and those higher upper levels, so looking at possibly that milky sky again for Saturday afternoon. But temperature-wise, anywhere from 86 to near 90 degrees for your Saturday afternoon. Now, as we jump towards future forecasts, this is 9 p.m. Tonight, lists a couple showers in our northerly counties, with a couple more showers and storms to our southeast. That will continue overnight before those showers eventually give up, as with that sun setting, that will lead to those showers and storms losing that daytime heating, and as a result, they will eventually fall apart, and so will the clouds as we head towards early Saturday morning. And for Saturday itself, looking at plenty of sunshine, a great day for any activities, but make sure you do hydrate, because again, it will be quite hot and also humid at times, especially during the afternoon and going to the evening hours, and just that very, very slim chance of a spot shower for the day on Saturday as well. And for Sunday, same exact thing, looking at sunshine for that day as well. No issues at all for any plans that you have for that day as well. So should be smooth sailing for any plans you have for the weekend, and that will continue the Monday of plenty of sunshine as high pressure keeps us nice and dry even into Tuesday. Most of Tuesday will be dry, but then we'll have a cold front sliding in here late Tuesday, which will help to usher in some colder air as we head towards middle to the end of next week. But we'll have to watch this high pressure, as off to our southeast, there will be a developing tropical storm system, which is scheduled to possibly make landfall somewhere in the southeasterly part of the U.S. at some point early next week. And the thinking is that if this high pressure moves off to the east, that will keep the system likely being a coastal storm. But if this high pressure moves off to the west a bit more, the system could either make landfall or maybe even linger around in portions of the southeast for quite a while, as right now models are showing it possibly stalling around for, if not 2, maybe 3 days. But as of right now, it's still too far out to determine its impacts as of now, as we're still quite far away from this system making landfall as a tropical storm, or even as a possibly low-end hurricane. But as of right now, we will keep an eye on that for you as we get closer towards next week. But temperature-wise, near 90 on Monday, 90 degrees on Tuesday, a late-day storm, and then it's nice and cooler behind a cold front into Wednesday, 80 degrees Wednesday, 80 on Thursday, and then nice and comfortable for the rest of next week.